I must admit, it's been a really long time since I've worn a wig. So I want to let you guys know this wig put me through a whole lot, okay? I haven't really worn a wig and I don't even know how long it's been. So it was kind of getting my feet wet again. So I went through with my wax stick to try to get this as flat as possible. And be careful because I haven't, mommy's rusty. She put a little bit, way too much of the wax stick, okay? Now, when I was doing this video, I was just in my head thinking about like, why haven't I worn a wig in so long? And I went through a moment in my life where I didn't want to wear someone else's hair. And by that I mean, the people we're purchasing this hair from, they tend to sacrifice this hair to their gods, okay? They grow it with the intent of like using it as a sacrifice, and then they take it, sew it up, make it nice and pretty, and sell it to us. So it's like I'm wearing sacrificed hair. And I had I had a photo shoot that I wanted to do for my business card. I'll insert my little cute photo right here. And I figured, you know what, I don't want braids. My natural hair makes me look super kiddish. So let me try this wig. And when I tried the wig on, I wanted to see how I felt. Like, did I feel comfortable? Did I want to do this again? Would I wear a wig again? Like, how did I feel about it? Because I know the last time that I did wear a wig, I started getting very like, I don't want this. I don't want sacrifice hair on my head. And that's also why I didn't want to sell hair anymore. Like, I didn't want to sell bundles because I knew what they were doing. I didn't want that. I mean, I've always had this vision to sell Hawaiian bundles, but I would feel like totally different because they're not sacrificing or they're not giving it up as an offering. Maybe that's the right word. They were giving their hair as offerings to their gods, but they wouldn't be offering their hair up to a god. They were just, I'd buy it from them. That'll be a totally different thing. So I decided I didn't want to wear wigs anymore. I didn't want to experience that. Like, I would rather something synthetic, horsehair. I'll take that. That probably has a history behind it, but I didn't do the research into that yet. So I decided not to wear wigs. And when I did put this wig on, I wasn't in love like I used to be with wigs. I wasn't, oh my gosh, this makes me so, like, I look good, I feel confident. I didn't feel confident. I was so self-conscious about it. I kept thinking, oh my gosh, my lace, the regular stuff. And then I'm just like, is my hair not good enough? Why am I trying to enhance my appearance with this wig as if the hair that I was given wasn't good enough? And this is specifically towards bundles, okay? Not braids or whatever, but specifically towards wigs and bundles. Like, I don't know, like, I didn't feel comfortable. More like, I wasn't too happy. I love the artistic part of it, having to try to achieve a specific look, but through it all, I was like, would I wear a wig again? Probably not. Would I help or aid someone who did have a wig and they wanted to cut it, do this, do that? I would. That's their choice because, I guess helps me to be creative, but I don't know. I'm still at that, I don't know how I truly feel about this. Like, do I, would I, how do I feel? Should I? You know, it's like a very confusing feeling, and just, I don't know, it just feels like I have an extra layer on, okay? Like, I don't have to worry about that when I have my natural hair. I don't have to worry about the wig being too tight. Oh, on top of that, this wig was loose as I don't know what, so I kept pulling it, making sure it fit. I kept thinking it was shifting. Like, I don't want to have to worry about my hair shifting. That should not be a problem. That should be in my thoughts throughout the day. Oh, did my hair shift today? Is my false wig cap showing, my false bald cap method showing? Like, I don't want to have to worry about that. But honestly, this was a really interesting experience. It was something I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I'll do this again, but it was nice to do after so long. I want to say at least been 4 or 5 years. I'll try to find videos of the last time I had a wig. But yeah, this was a really interesting, really hard video to achieve, because this wig was giving me the run for my money. Okay, trying to achieve this look without a wig head on my head was 10 times harder. Like, and the fact that I'm a whole perfectionist out here doesn't help the situation, because I could think this isn't good enough, and I think that's what also made me worry even more afterwards, because I'm like, nah, this is not good enough. This don't look right. Nope, I don't like it. It's not to my liking, and I was just not satisfied with the end results. It looked good, but I wasn't satisfied. I wasn't feeling it. So I just went in and did a whole spiel about why I probably won't wear wigs again, as I'm wearing a wig in this video. But listen, lessons learned, right? But listen, if you do want to try and achieve this style with your hair, with your wig, or whatever the case may be, try it out and see if God convicts you about it. But I feel like I'm getting a conviction, and that I do not need to wear wigs specifically. Ain't no conviction coming to me about braids, but as of right now, we are staying away from the wiggy world. As fun as it is, as cute, you could be short one day, long the next, curly the next, bone straight the next. As fun and artistically cool it is, I'm gonna stick to my braids and my natural hair. I'm just try to embrace what I was given, and hope, and just hope. I don't know what I'm hoping for. I'm just gonna embrace what I was given and work with what I got. If I look like a little kid, then I guess I'm gonna continue to look like a little kid. So I don't want to look like a little kid. That's why I put this wig on. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel. Do you wear wigs? How long you been wearing a wig? I started when I was like 15. So let me know. Bye, gems.